recording.
Good news, we're riding Deals Gap again. Yep, I went and saw the moose this morning. You can see the moose on today's July 31st, 2026 Smoky Mountain video. It'll probably be titled Cherokee, North Carolina. I don't know. I haven't uploaded it to YouTube just yet as I'm talking to you. Following some guy from Alabama. But I got to see a bunch of moose this morning. They were out. It is really cool to see moose early in the morning. But now we're headed back to the house. This is a killer workout. 250 miles by lunchtime. It's a good workout. $250 twisty road miles by lunchtime. Cup. There is a cop somewhere. There he is. Better there than here. I got really lucky today. Woohoo! Woo! Man, that is twice today that this radar detector has saved me. There was a park ranger that lit me up on the Foothills Parkway, and now Tennessee Highway Patrol on Deals Gap. So let's just say that so far today I've saved $600. That pays for your radar detector and your hard system. If you don't know what a hard system is, Google it. Adaptive.com. It's a transmitter that goes on your passport radar detector, and there's an LED that goes in your helmet. It's well worth every single dollar that it costs. Hey, you got mail. Got a Honda Civic. Two Hondas don't make a wrong. Okay, so we got us another popo up the road. Thanks to them for pointing that out to us. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. There he is. There she is. Oh, busted. He can afford it. I am happy when the cars get stopped. The road is much cleaner than it was on Wednesday. I made a comment in another video today about people with diesel trucks. At $5 a gallon for diesel, they just flog their trucks. 11 miles to the gallon, and they're just ripping it wide open in a diesel truck. Wow, I can't believe he's going to let us in. That's cool. Another cop. Okay, that's three.